As you can see guys, I've already got this stuff all laid out. I went ahead and pre-cut a lot of this stuff just from scrap I had laying around. Now making chain art is really something I actually enjoy, especially when they're functional pieces and not just designed to sort of lay around looking pretty. So this I've had in mind for a while, and I decided to finally do it just to sort of aid in that process. But I decided to take it a step further, and I come up with this little design in my head, and I'm just going to whack it together. So stick around, and yeah, let's get this thing knocked together. Just eyeballing this, guys. I'm actually running stainless wire at the moment in my MIG. As long as it glues it together, I'll be happy. See what I did there? I'm so smart. Alrighty guys, after that embarrassing little cock up, you could probably tell what I'm trying to do here. Not the best welding I've ever done, I dare say, but using stainless wire and rusty old material, it didn't turn out the best, but it done the job. On this I've got some decent welds, but I would have used all of this 35mm tubing, to be honest, even for this portion here, but I didn't have the proper drill bits to drill through this. It would have given me the shits, so I just made this little setup, which if I'd done it again I certainly would, but I just used scrap laying around. As you can tell, I made it so you can sort of clamp it onto the table, but you could also put it in a vise, but here goes nothing. This is what I was aiming to do. Whoop, not a good first start. Get that on there, get that on there. Two hours later, you get it like so. And you can see what starts to happen. So we get that all taut. Now I've had to leave this a little bit loose. Ideally I would do that up, but because it's so close, and I don't know why I bothered painting this section, just to make it look pretty, it's all scratched up. But it drags on there and it sort of locks these in if I tighten them up too tight. So I've just left it loose. We'll get them like that. And again, it doesn't have to be under enormous strain, so I'm not worried about these welds breaking or anything like that. I know some of you are going to say stainless, brittle, da-da-da-da. It's just what I have in the machine. I don't have any mild steel at the moment, but yeah, it's not under enormous strain. It's just to pull the tension. That is really tight just from that. And yeah, I'll be able to get sort of weld it through, but that's it. Try some different chain on it. Loosen that off. So this big boy. That is awesome. I can't tell you how much that fiddling that saves, because normally when you do it, you're just trying to get it to work, but that straight away, I can tell you, that is going to work great. So looking forward to using it. Well, there you have it, guys. I couldn't be happier with how that's working. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it is definitely functional and going to do what I want it to do. Speaking of which, please hit that subscribe button if you want to see what I have planned for this in the next episode. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.